All right, this is practice 9-1 on different ways that we can model hundreds, tens, ones, and kind of work with place value. These big squares here, and when the students draw them out, they can just draw squares, are equal to 100 apiece. So it says circle the models to show 500. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Circle those 5 there. And 500 equals 500s, 0 tens, and 0 ones. So, and the big giant cube is worth 1,000. We'll get into that later. So circle the models to show each number. Write the number of hundreds. We need 200, so 100, 200. So that is 200, but that is one group of 100. That is two groups. So we only have two groups. We have 200s. How many hundreds? We need to have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 700. And how many groups of hundreds are there? There are 7. So the students will be able to do this in 2 seconds in their sleep pretty much. They're loving this unit so far, and it's pretty easy. Okay, same thing, 900. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds is also equal to 1,000. But we want to do 9 hundreds on this one, so we're going to circle off first 9 here, and we have 9 squares. Okay, now we need 1,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if you take a look at this, this is really 10 hundreds, which is 1,000. Which is interesting. We never say 10 hundreds, but we'll say 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, but we don't say 10 hundreds. We just do that one as 1,000. So that will be all 10 of those there. And how many hundreds is that? It is 10 hundreds equals 1,000. Okay, number 5. Use 10 blocks to build 100. Think about how many tens make 100. Draw a picture of your model. So these are the 10 sticks. Technically, when you see them in the book, they kind of look like this, and they've got the little lines with the 10 cubes. I have them just draw lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's basically about how you do 10 groups of 10 to make 100. Okay, number 6, higher order thinking. Patrick picked 2 numbers. 2 numbers. The first number has 7 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones. Okay, so let's start with that one. I was having them practice these before with making a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. So the first number has 7 hundreds, so 7 in the hundreds place, 0, 10, and 0 ones. The second number has 2 fewer hundreds than the first number. So 2 fewer, 7, 2 fewer would be 7 minus 2 is 5. So his 2 numbers are 700 and 500. Okay, our assessment number 7. Each bag has 100 pretzels. Count by 100s to find the total. Which is the total number of pretzels in the bag? So each bag has 100 pretzels. This one has 150 in it here. So that one is not going to work. This one has 400. Count by hundreds to find the total. So not sure exactly how this is working, but 150 is not going to work because each bag has 100 pretzels. This has 550 pretzels here. So that is not going to work either for that one. Each one has 100. This is supposed to be 100. That doesn't work. It's saying that C is the answer from the teacher manual. I actually don't even understand how they got that. So if each bag has 100 pretzels, count by hundreds to find the total. Oh, never mind. I get it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 500. So 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Sorry about that. I was thinking that each pretzel bag associated with a number. So yeah, 5 bags, 100 pretzels each, 500.